everyone. Nice to be up here in the Catskills. Great place for families. And as you know these days, in family life, you gotta have a dog.
Are you as funny as him?
I did get 14 grand from the British Columbia government.
Right.
And that's lasted me until now. I mean, it's been like 10 years. And I figure I'm not a mathematician or anything because I have like $900 left, but I figure that might last me like another 2 years or some shit, I think.
Yeah.
Stop and get me a pack of cigarettes. Has anybody ever told you look like Vin Diesel?
I told you I don't touch. No, you just kill him and find new ways to watch him after.
There was a certain visceral pleasure.
You have to lie in order to preserve your image of being honest.
Did you just hear yourself?
How about you, Mats?
Dancer, you don't have to do this.